Love? It's one of the most complicated things in life. Minsan, sobrang saya. Minsan, sobrang sakit. Pero kahit ganon, lahat tayo gusto pa rin maranasan yung tinatawag na true love. Yung feeling na may isang taong magmamahal sa'yo kahit sino ka pa. Flaws and all. Pero let's be real. Love is not always about happiness and butterflies. May mga times na iiyak ka, masasaktan ka, at mapapagod ka. Kasi love isn't just about kilig moments or sweet messages. It's about patience, understanding, and sacrifice. Kung hindi ka marunong umintindi, matutong magpatawad, o magpakumbaba, mahirap magmahal ng totoo. Sometimes, you give everything, your time, effort, heart, pero sa huli, parang kulang pa rin. You question yourself, am I not enough? Pero love doesn't always mean being with the person you love. Minsan, loving someone also means letting go, especially if staying only hurts you more. Love teaches us a lot. It teaches us how to care deeply, how to understand beyond words, and how to grow stronger after every heartbreak. Kasi kahit ilang beses kang masaktan, when love knocks again, you'll still open the door. That's how powerful love is. It makes us hope. It makes us believe. And it makes us brave enough to try again. So yes, love is complicated. It's messy, painful, and unpredictable. Pero sa kabila ng lahat, it's still one of the most beautiful feelings in the world. Kasi kahit gaano kahirap, lahat tayo gusto pa ring magmahal at gusto pa ring mahalin.